Hello, learners. In the topic of algebraic expressions, today we will talk about the factorization of the expression a squared minus b squared. Before starting, if you haven't watched the expansion of a squared minus b squared, you can watch it first by taping the I button. So, our aim in today's video is to determine the factorization of the algebraic expression a squared minus b squared. So, let's consider the term a squared minus b squared, which can be rewritten as aa minus bb. Now, before moving forward, we will do one adjustment in the right-hand side, which is adding and subtracting ab. So the right-hand side becomes aa minus ab plus ab minus bb. Carefully note that this adjustment will maintain the equality since we are adding and subtracting the same term at the same side. Now, by carefully observing first two terms, we get that both terms contains a as their common factor. So by taking a common from the both terms, we can rewrite it as a times a minus b. Similarly, by observing the last two terms, we get that both terms contains b as their common factor. Now, by taking b common from the both terms, we can rewrite it as a minus b times b. As we can see in the next step, both terms contains a minus b as their common factor. So by taking a minus b common, we get a plus b times a minus b. Hence, we are done with the factorization. At last, we have that a squared minus b squared can be factorized into a plus b times a minus b, which is another fundamental algebraic identity. Now, let us see one application of this identity with the help of an example. The example is asking us to factorize 25x squared minus 49 with the help of above identity. We will proceed stepwise. In step 1, we will convert the first term in some power of 2. For this, we will factorize that term, which will yield that 25x squared can be written as 5x whole squared. In the second step, we will do the same thing but with the last term, which gives that 49 can be written as 7 squared. Now we are entering in our final step, in which we will factorize the given expression by comparing it with given identity. On comparing, we get that a must be 5x and b must be 7. So by substituting their values in the given identity, we get that 25x squared minus 49 is equal to a plus b times a minus b, which is same as 5x plus 7 times 5x minus 7. Thanks for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial. We will meet in the next video.